right, let me think of what to say.
Just go for it.
What's up, guys? It is Dalton and Jeremy back at it. We're vlogging again. This afternoon, we're gonna go check out the Casper Art Walk / Rock the Block. The Rock the Block happens every Thursday night from 5 to 7. And then the Art Walk happens on the first Thursday of every month. The first Thursday of the month is perfect because they both line up on the same day.
Like they do every month.
Just like they do every month. Thanks, Dalton.
Yeah, of course, I'm a genius. All right, so I got this map that we drew, and we kind of mapped out where we're gonna run. We're not gonna hit everything, but we're gonna try and hit some of the highlights. But yeah, we're gonna try and get to this checkered flag. We are on Spruce Street. We are gonna end on Durbin and Seguin. Let's get to it.
All right, our first stop on the Art Walk is Art 321. Let's go check it out.
All right, we just finished up at Art 321, and next we're gonna go over to David Street and check that out.
Yes, let's go. All right, we're at David Street Station. This place is popping right now. We're gonna get a beer. We got live music, lots of beer, and we're gonna get a beer.
Yeah, we're gonna get a beer. Hey everyone, this is Abby. Abby's tending tonight. She's tending the bar.
I'm on the job.
All right, Abby, what can you tell me about this beer?
Oh, there's a lot.
And there's so many friends here. This is one of our longtime friends, Tanner.
What's up, everybody? Longtime friend Tanner, big fan of all of you out there.
Tanner, what do you think of Rock the Block and the Art Walk tonight?
Rock the Block kind of rocks your socks in my mind.
Wow.
It is something that just brings the city together, and that's what you need, is something to bring people
I
together.
love it, man.
Wow.
I couldn't have said it better myself. All right, let's go check out the rest of this place.
Let's go check out.
Wow, this is just freaking nuts.
There's like
Instant regret. The best part of an art walk is the physical feeling. Art is words, is pictures, it is dance. Art is everything. Art is all about the mind. Does it intrigue you? That's art.
Todd, what do you have to tell everyone?
Just happy to be out here tonight, Art Walk, it's exciting. Really excited to be out here with my kids. Why don't you introduce yourselves?
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Get to the camera.
Hi, I'm Ava. I'm 11 years old. I'm Lucas. I'm 6 years old. I'm Maya, and I'm 8 years old.
Get this guy.
Yeah, get this
Look
guy.
at this face. I like chocolate ice cream.
What's your favorite part of the Art Walk?
Well, Dalton, that's a great question. It's hard to choose just one part. They're all kind of important for me. I just like to see so many people out here. Downtown, Casper, 2 or 3 years ago this never happened. We have a chance to come out with our kids and spend quality time enjoying our community.
My favorite part was seeing you guys, the bridal trail guys. That was amazing. That made my night.
All right, we just left David Street Station. We picked up 2 more Art Walkers and Rock the Blockers. Tanner's coming with us and Joe's coming with us. Our next stop is at the Lyric. All right, let's go check it out.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
This word?
Yeah, say that.
It's Goedex. Goedex. We're going to Goletedeke.
Yo, we're going to Scarlos.
We're going to Goetedeke. Scarlos.
All right, we're going to Scarlos. So it's pretty neat. Any of the places that you check out that have art typically allow you to buy it. Like we just went to one place that had these massive photographs that were just 200 bucks. Next stop, I think, is Frontier.
Yeah, Frontier, number 6.
is Sean.
What's up, guys?
Sean, what are you gonna do right now?
I'm gonna drink this exuberating beer.
What can you tell us about this beer?
This beer was made in-house in very small batches, very small, delicious batches, one barrel at a time.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah, it makes me exuberate.
Oh, exuberated.
Yeah.
We'll have to try it out then.
All right.
Howdy. We finally made it to our last stop, the Yellowstone Garage. They do music here, and it's usually very good. So let's check it out.
Hey, it has been a pleasure going on this vlog with you all. Casper rocked the art block.
It's been really good. Thank you so much.
The art walk is always a classic thing to do. Every time I'm in town, I come.
Let's go Casper and let's go Cowboys. Thanks.
Dalton, what did you think of the art walk? How would you rate it?
I'd probably give it like a 13.6.
Out of
13.6.
a perfect 13.6.
Yeah.
It doesn't get any better than that.
Yeah, I have yet to go to an art walk as good as Casper's art walk.
You heard it here first.
Yeah, so go out and catch the next one. There's another one in September, I think on like the 5th.
Give or take. I'll put in the real date.
We'll put in the real date. It'll flash up right here.
All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next vlog.
Yeah, have a good one. Stay safe.